Yeah, they toasted it perfect this time. So everything had to be 5 syllables.
Amazing, amazing.
Mixed seafood stew, condemned with the shrimps and everything.
I'm irresistible, you fool.
What is up, guys? It's Carson, it's Sammy, we're the complete couple. Hit that subscribe button. Today we are on a sea day aboard the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady, and we are going to do everything they've got to offer. We're going to do trivia. We are going to do shows. We are going to eat food.
Hopefully we'll show you guys some more of the shops, actually, because we haven't really gone through that. And we have Lola's Library tonight, which is a brand new show. I've never seen that before.
Supposedly, an actor hit a, supposedly last night, that's what they put in the group chat. One of the actors actually hit one of the
people watching. The phone call in the back. But anyway, let's go get some breakfast / lunch. We got a late start, and let's get up there.
Boop, 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 boop.
So unfortunately, I think I single-handedly ate all the grapefruits on the cruise ship because there's no more grapefruits. It looks really good. Not as good as it looked. I don't even know if watermelon's in season right now. What do you guys?
Honestly, me and Sam are just gonna get a bite, and then we're gonna probably come back and get lunch.
Yeah.
We got their ham and cheese. We had it the first day. Still pretty good.
This is still beautiful. What kind of BLT you do? Oh my god, it's like the perfect bread consistency.
There you go.
Wow.
Really nice.
One of the best BLTs ever.
Wow.
You have to get it.
Really nice crunch on my sandwich.
Yeah, they toasted it perfect this time. It's actually better than the other day. Yeah, that was a quick breakfast, and we're gonna come back to lunch. We're gonna go mess around. Alright, so we're doing really bad. We didn't even get the last 4. This was everything had to be 5 syllables. It was really hard, so we got 3. Alright, we're not gonna win, but it's fun. It's actually really cool trivia. It's different. Alrighty, as always, we did really bad. We got 10 out of 30. But it was really fun, actually. It was a good time. So we got a burger. It does not look anywhere near as good as when I got it last time I was on the ship. The cheese is not even melted, so really low hopes for that, which is a shame. I loved the burger last time. Here is coconut shrimp, mashed potatoes, jerk chicken, and corn. That's their special lunch of the day. Carson is gonna give their sushi another hit, but that has been another miss this cruise. He has not been liking the sushi. It has gone downhill. So let's see. Sorry, the lighting's really bad.
Actually better today.
Okay, well that's refreshing.
A little fishy flavor.
There you go.
Shrimp roll piece. Better than yesterday's.
Well,
I missed the shrimp roll. They did a shrimp and a tuna roll before.
Alright, I'm gonna try these mashed potatoes. Well, actually, you try the shrimp and the corn, because I'm
honestly,
not gonna try
these look fucking amazing.
Yeah, they look good. They're huge. If you really look at them, they're actually pretty big.
Those are pretty good. Not big on the sushi. Again, that's really good. A little too much like on the cheese for me on the corn.
We'll see.
Never know, maybe amazing. That is heavily cheese.
That is heavily cheesed. Oh my god, you have cheese everywhere.
Take them honestly. Kind of cold. Honestly, good, not great.
Shrimp are good. Those look so good. I'm like pumped for those. If you say they're bad, I'm gonna be so disappointed. I'm gonna be really upset about it.
No. Those are fantastic.
And then this is the jerk chicken, right?
Yeah. Guys.
Is the chicken good?
Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Let me try this. I don't believe it. Oh my god, that jerk chicken is really good.
Let's try one bite. Honestly, the bun's hard.
Listen, before when I used to get it, they used to make it for you fresh. Now they're rotating so many that came out of a warmer.
It looks dry as shit.
It looks old. The cheese isn't even melted. I used to have the best one last time I had it. It was like one of my favorite burgers. It reminded me of Checkers. It was so soft.
Bun is rock hard.
Yeah, it looks it.
Burger, super dry. However, it still gives me the Checkers kind of taste.
Yeah, it used to be juicy. The cheese used to be melted, and the bun wasn't that bad. I don't know what they did. I'll be honest, very soft bun. And did you get a video of them making this?
No.
Oh my god, they're grilling it right now. Tastes really good. It's juicy. The bun's not hard. Veggies are good. That's pretty dang good.
There you go.
I think they're just.
I don't know if it's just how you doctored it up. They gives me the Checker vibe.
Probably, because I did doctor it up.
But the bun is dry as shit, and the meat is dry.
Dude, and you used to go up and order, and you would wait for it. So like you would get a thing, so it would be a fresh hamburger. Now they're just mass producing it. So it's like they're just shoving it out in warmers. That's a shame. All right, I'm gonna try some food. Let you know how it is.
Yeah, what did you get, honey?
So, not a fan of the burger. This is the special of the day, which is a steak taco.
Steak taco, all right.
They don't typically have this, but I will tell you, Talk About It has a lot of specials. They like have breakfast.
Yeah, they have the ranchos of rancheros.
Yeah, they had like a Mexican taco breakfast.
Yeah.
That's pretty fire. Now this is what they always have, which is the pork. That was a nice little authentic taco. I think this is gonna be better. Both very good. Does not need hot sauce or any flavoring. A little spicy on that pork, but the pineapple really balances it out. Now we get extra pineapple. That pineapple's good.
Nice. Here we go.
Skip the burger, get that.
We're going to slot tournament.
tournament.
Slot tournament. See how it goes.
We're here for the slot tournament event. We'll see how we do. It's in the middle of the casino. Bring it back. First 3 people get paid. 1 first, second, third.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
All right, there you go. 180,000 won. $600, and I think it was like $300 and $200. There you go. We lost, unfortunately. We're here at the seahorse race. Slammed. They are winning $997. The winner of this out of 6 chances. So I mean, hey, it's good chances.
We got seahorse number 2.
There they go. They're off.
We got seahorse number 1. What? We got seahorse number 5.
Oh.
5. And we got seahorse number 6. Keeping that
All right, $997. So if you have the chance, do your seahorse race.
Alright guys, I know we haven't filmed much today, but hopefully tonight turns up a little bit on what we're going to film. We honestly went to the casino for probably a good 2 hours.
Yeah, we did play the slot tournament. We did not win.
Not even close. We played in the casino. We lost in the casino. We're pretty much down and out. So we're probably not going to play the casino much more. We're going to go see some shows, get some dinner. We'll see you guys there.
I want to go see the shops. Let's go to the shops.
Let's go to the shops. We're going to see Milosh.
Ooh, I hope Milosh is there.
Alrighty, so we have no reservations for tonight, but we're going to see if we can get into the wake. Sammy's up getting a salad. We'll see how it goes.
45 Carson.
Yes, ma'am.
As soon as the table, the seat will be available.
Thank you. Alright, well, we may not get in tonight. The wait was 11, so we're probably screwed this evening. Probably not going to get in this evening. Let's go check it out. Probably not going to get in tonight, but you know what? Let's take a look at it. Honestly, it looks pretty slammed, so I can't be mad at her. Pretty busy, if you have to be honest with you. Yeah, it's pretty busy. Wake's looking kind of slammed, so we'll see if we get sat. Honestly, there was like 10 people in front of us. We're probably not going to get sat, but you know what? We'll go from there. We'll see where we go.
Alrighty, so today's vlog has not been very good. I'm just going to be forefront with you. But we've just been playing in the casino a lot and just enjoying our sea day, kind of relaxing, laying around, hanging out, sitting in the hammock, going to the casino. Can't record the casino because they will punish you for that. I will say Virgin probably wouldn't do it as much as others, but I'd rather not find out if that makes sense. We did see our good friend Milosh, who works here in the jewelry department, so we hung out with him for a little bit. So we've been kind of just hanging out, nothing really to record per se. We did have Test Kitchen booked for tonight, but it's fun one time, but their food is so good on board that I didn't really want to waste our last food night. We are going to a Rose show tomorrow, so we don't have a last food night, but really it's the last food night. I didn't want to waste it on Test Kitchen. Test Kitchen is a blast. If you haven't done it, definitely go do it. It's so much fun. We're trying to get into the wake. We're trying to get into Extra Virgin. It's super crowded on this boat. We may just have galley food, and honestly, galley is amazing. So we'll show you what we do. We'll show you if we do that, and then we are going to make it to Lola's library, which I'm super excited for in the manor. So sorry this isn't our best content, but check out our channel, like, subscribe, go see it all there. We've done 1,000 Virgin ship, and we'll bring you along for the rest of the night. So I did come over here to Gunbae and ask if they could do a table for 2. They said absolutely not. So we did try, but they said no. We're in Gunbae. We're joining the crowd. Here we go. So we ended up joining Gunbae with a bunch of strangers. So I don't even know how this menu works. Let's try, I guess? Question mark? Welcome to Gunbae, an interactive dining experience. And we're just gonna go really fast here because it doesn't really matter, because they just kind of order for yourself and then they ask you what you don't eat.
Listen, not to be rude. He went through the menu for 10 minutes, like 3-4 minutes. And he goes, I'm gonna order for you guys. So the menu doesn't matter.
The menu does not matter. So they just kind of, he goes, what do you not eat? And I was like, shrimp per se. And then there's a big drink menu. So you know what, guys? Search it online. It's a really confusing menu, but we're gonna find out how this is. I've never done it, and we'll see how it is. Alrighty, so you get this little plate of tapases, I guess you can call it. Kimchi, bok choy, mushroom, a couple different things. Give it a try. Also, there's a drinking game he tried to explain. 369, apparently, you're supposed to clap on.
Actually, not bad.
Yeah, I had the little onion. It was kind of good. So that's, I guess, what you start with.
What was this?
I think mushroom. I'm not sure though.
Eggplant, okay,
Eggplant.
I think eggplant got it.
Yeah, you'll like it.
That really tastes like mush.
Probably tastes like a mushroom. Eggplant's a versatile vegetable.
This is beef short ribs mixed with the shrimp paste.
There's a lot going on, guys. I'm like overwhelmed to an extreme.
I don't know what the fuck this is.
So I don't know what anything is at this point.
It's a mixed seafood stew contained with the shrimps and everything.
That's got a little kick to it right there.
Right, so again, here we are.
That's a scallion.
Oh yeah, I had this bite.
It's got a little kick, but it's good.
How was the shrimp one?
Shrimpy.
Cucumber salad. Here's chicken. Here is.
He said if this was spicy, eat one of those.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Got a lot of options here, guys.
Well,
Let's try
actually, cucumber
cucumber.
too, guys.
Cucumber salad has a little kick.
Right.
How was the rice?
White. Oh, great clam.
Korean short ribs.
Oh. Pretty good.
Soybean pot is good with the pork belly. So these are 3 dipping sauces for the grill.
So we've had some pork belly. What did you have, babe?
I had 1 scallop.
1 scallop. All right.
Like actually, you know, right? I said 1 scallop.
All right, 1 scallop. And now they're cooking shrimp. So,
I had 1 bite of pork belly. Thank you. Very not flavorful.
yeah, this is quite bad. This was super spicy, by the way. Alrighty, so now we are on the beef portion. I'm pretty sure. Again, I'm trying to annoy the people that we are sitting with filming. So that's all you got. We'll see how it is. That was the entree portion of the night, and now we're getting desserts and I think some type of shots. So we are gonna see how it is. All right, so here's dessert. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. What is that? What is it?
A stale donut.
Thank you.
Okay.
Put it out on the counter.
Absolutely a stale donut.
So, this one is a counting game. We are going to counting from 1 until etc. Okay? 1, 2, 11, 4, 5, 11.
Come back, come back. So we ran out of there because we did actually want to make trivia and some other things, but
Hold on, I
give
wanna see
me
one thing.
the recap of
The
Gunbae.
actual Gunbae little thing they put on with a free sake was actually kind of fun.
That was actually very fun.
I thought the food was like a 2.
I think the food was a
I
2.
actually just genuinely thought that, and I eat everything. I thought it was flavorless, overcooked, not very good. Like,
Now I will say, hold on, the kimchi and stuff like that was kind of good, but it still wasn't really, and it was a weird, I don't know, it was a very weird experience. I would not recommend
it was
it.
not very good. I got a sandwich to go, and this will be dinner.
I will tell you, the idea of it and the game is very fun. With the sake is very fun.
Yeah.
It's a absolute blast.
Listen, if you want the experience, you go. The food, average at best.
Yeah, again, it was not very good. It was like 3 rounds of food and I don't know. Yeah, it was not very good. Here we go. So we ran here quite literally out of breath for Lola's library. We got a stripper pole and a ring and a library. So this should be an interesting show to say the least, but get here early because it was crowded.
The crew are big readers. I'm irresistible, you fool. That's why our Lola is a tramp.
Alrighty, last thing here in the manor. Look at this manor, iconic. Let's see if the DJ is actually out here. Oh, this looks so boring. Oh my god, this looks so boring. Virgin Voyages, what is this? It's a no from me. And shortly after this, our camera died, so we did not do an outro, but we did try to go to the party. It was nothing very exhilarating. Other than that, check out our channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out all of our Resilient Lady and Virgin Voyages content, and we'll see you tomorrow in Bimini, Bahamas.